Curug Malela, located in Cicadas, Kecamatan Rongga, West Bandung. Stands 70 meters tall and 63 meters wide. It's one of the biggest waterfall that we can find in all of West Java, even in Java Island, I think. So this is great. Me and my friends are here for several minutes, and now we're looking at my companies. Hi, everybody. This is Boom Boom, one of the tour guide that we have from Jakarta, and this is the artist that I'm with, Suri. Man, so fake. This is Amel. Hi, Amel. This is the quiet lady, the Iron Hand. Hi, Kum. These guys, I don't know. I see you in YouTube. So, this is also part of my companions here. And this is a friend I just met along the way. Rather unique. What's your name?
My name's Murni.
Hey, Murni.
And I know the colors of the rainbow. Huh?
Yeah, that was a lame joke. This is Mang Dula.
Yeah.
This is Mang Asep. Nanti bakal masuk video Mang Asep. Now, once again, we look at the waterfall. Okay, the name of the river is above, under the stream called Cisolok. Yeah, I think. Cisokan, sorry. Cisokan. Now, this waterfall, the river, before this waterfall stream is Cicadas River. Very good view. You guys are here watching this video. You feel like you're in, well, at I could say the second base of heaven. And it's pretty amazing here. It's quite cold, but the sky is blue and it's clear, so it's good. And you know, it feels like you're inside a painting. Really, really good. Look at the rocks. Built 5,000 years of volcanic eruptions. Beautiful, huh? Well, unfortunately, I have to end the story by a sad story, telling you that in early 2012, there's one guy who was swept by the river stream over there. You see that rock? There's one guy swept by the river, and his body is found. His body was found 3 days later on that stream. So we really need to be careful. If you guys are here, do not try to approach the waterfall. It's too dangerous. You don't know when a big, huge river stream is going to come after you. That's all from me, Arif Shaman, from Curug Malela, Cicadas. See you again, mate. See you again, mate.